Roar! Hi, friends! I'm Dino Milo. Come learn and play with me!
Hi, Milo! I'm so excited for my first sleepover! Whoa! Welcome, Dino! We're gonna have so much fun! Let's build a dinosaur castle!
Yes! Mine will be the biggest one.
Do you like pizza?
I love pizza, especially with extra cheese.
Okay, time to sleep.
I'm a little nervous. It's my first time away from home.
Don't worry, I'm right here.
Milo, did you hear that? Yeah. What was that? Let's check it out together.
Okay, but stay close.
Oh, it's just your robot.
Yeah.
It must have turned on by itself.
That wasn't so scary after all. See?
Sleepovers are fun!
Best sleepover ever.
Thank you for watching! Please like, share, and follow for more adventures!